our third season we are operating this team, and this year we have a big expectation. All our cars, when they are on track on ELMS, they are here to fight for podium or for win. We have strong lineups with young kids and more experienced drivers. Simon Pagenaud, winner of the 500 miles of Indianapolis, and Pechito Lopez, world champions, Le Mans winner. The point of having this experienced driver is to help the young drivers to reach top level faster.
The target is just try to be on top, try to fight for races and the championship. I have two very young teammates and try to bring my experience to the team and help them as much as I can.
It's quite impressive to work with these guys. They teach us a lot of things, especially in terms of driving style, but also in terms of feedback, how they describe the direction of the car, in which way they want to set up the car, for the race.
We've seen it with Malte Jacobsen, who joined us last year in LMP3. Then he had a magnificent way up, Now racing in LMP2, signing his first contract as a professional driver for Peugeot.
It's a big help for us to be able to compare ourselves against them, first of all in the free practices, but also after the races to be able to debrief with them. Especially, when we are in traffic and these kind of things where experience plays a really big part of the game. It's a really big help.
It's a beautiful partnership we have with ELF. They helped us from the first day of the team, and we are sharing the same value, so it's great to have them with us.